How do we come to know the world around us? What is reality, and what, in this vast cosmos, is the true nature of existence itself? Today we'll be guided by the insights of Immanuel Kant, George Berkeley, and the voices of countless others who have pondered these mysteries. We will explore the foundational questions that have shaped our understanding of the world. Is reality merely a construct of our minds? Can we ever truly know the world beyond our perceptions? And does acknowledging the subjective nature of our experiences diminish the reality of the external world? Our journey will reveal not just the complexity of philosophical inquiry, but the beauty and profundity of the world as we come to understand it.
Let's commence a journey through the realms of metaphysical discourse, unraveling the intricate positions postulated by venerable thinkers, which some may or may not know, have played a vital role as to how we conceive what is real or true. First of all, for ease, let's simplify some terms. Imagine truths that shine brightly, independent of experience. We call them a priori, meaning before experience. For example, knowing 1 + 1 = 2, without counting objects, exemplifies this innate understanding. But a posteriori isn't simply a collection of random experiences. It's actively sought, observed, and analyzed. So knowledge is acquired through experience, based on sensory input. Moving forward, let's define the distinction between noumena and phenomena. Imagine an apple. The apple itself, the thing in itself, its true essence, is the noumenon. The word noumenon originates from the ancient Greek language, literally meaning that which is thought, or the object of an act of thought. The phenomenon is how we experience that apple through our senses and cognitive faculties. The color, the shape, the taste. This is the filtered version of reality we perceive. The word phenomenon also finds its roots in ancient Greek, literally translating to that which is appearing. Now, how does this connect with knowledge? Kant proposed two ways we acquire knowledge, a priori and a posteriori. A priori knowledge is a knowledge we possess independent of experience. Think of basic principles like space or time. We don't need to experience them to understand they exist. So we can say that the noumenon, that is the thing in itself, is like a pure, unfiltered stream of information. But before it is an everyday observed experience, it passes through these a priori filters, like space, time, and cause and effect. These filters structure and organize the information, transforming it into the phenomenon, the experienced reality. So, while we may never directly access the true essence, that is noumenon, of things, our a priori knowledge plays a crucial role in how we interpret and make sense of the filtered version of reality, that is, phenomena, that we encounter. In essence, a priori knowledge provides the framework through which we experience the world, even though it doesn't give us direct access to the nominal reality itself. A posteriori knowledge, on the other hand, is that which we learn through experience, constantly expanding and refining our understanding of the world. So, the phenomenon is the initial impression we have of an object, shaped by our senses and a priori frameworks. However, through a posteriori knowledge, gained from experience, we can continuously learn and refine our understanding of the underlying reality. For example, we might initially perceive an apple as simply red, based on its phenomenal appearance. But with a posteriori knowledge, gained from observing different lighting conditions or tasting various apple varieties, we can refine our understanding of the redness of the apple and its connection to the noumenal reality, which remains ultimately unknowable. While accessing the true essence, that is noumenon, might be beyond our everyday grasp, a posteriori knowledge gained through experience allows us to continuously refine and adapt our understanding of the phenomena we encounter. This ongoing process doesn't necessarily bring us closer to an ultimate reality, but rather helps us develop a more nuanced and functional relationship with the realm around us. Although this function is up for debate. As we gather new information and revise our interpretations, we better navigate and interact with the complex tapestry of experience, even if the underlying nature of this reality remains an ongoing inquiry.
Understanding concepts like a priori, a posteriori, noumena, and phenomena is like upgrading the lenses through which you see the world. In the upcoming animation, we'll be diving even deeper into this fascinating territory. We'll explore the differences between transcendental and empirical knowledge, and the age-old philosophical battleground of realism and idealism. so please hit the subscribe button to not miss out.